Hello everyone, my name is May Barakat. I am going to solve with you the ICT past paper May-June 2023. Let's start with the Word document. Before this, prepare the evidence document. They asked me to open the evidence file. I created folder over the desktop. I named it working area. Okay, the working area. Inside the working area, I set the source file. I will open the source file, searching where is the evidence file. This is the evidence file. Now, I opened the evidence file. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So I will go to the Insert tab to add the header. I am going to set the name and center number, candidate number in the header. From the header, I will select the one which contains 3 columns. Okay, I will set my name, center number, and candidate number in the header. This one we don't need it. Same for this. Close. Save the document in your work area as evidence followed by the candidate number. And this is the example. I'm going to use the same name here. Of course, you have to set evidence followed by your candidate number as I asked. So save as, I'm going to save it in the working area. Working area here. Make sure to save as type as Word document type, okay, as Word document. And the name is the name that they asked, evidence followed by the candidate number. Make sure, don't forget to change the type to Word document, save. Okay, so we prepare the evidence file. You will need your evidence document during the examination to place the screenshots were required. Okay, so now let's go to the document. Open the file festival. So let's open the file festival. This is the Word file that we are going to adjust it. The page setup is set to A4, the orientation is portrait, and the margin is 2 centimeters. Don't make any change. So they asked me, don't make any changes. So we are not going to change anything here. So let's go to the next step. They said there are 3 paragraphs. Also, don't make any changes to these paragraphs unless they ask it. Save the document in your work area and the name of the file is festival. So I will copy the name, file, save as in my work area. Okay, here. Make sure that the type is Word and the name is festival. Save. Okay. Make sure that you save it is in the format of the software that you are using. Means in the extension should be docx, yani the extension for the Word document. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type. They want to check the file type. So I'm going to open my working area here, working area. So they want to check the name of the files and plus the type. Okay, so I will create a screenshot. You can use snipping tool for that. New. So I will take screenshot. I will show them the name of the file plus the type. Already the extension for the file is there. So we have to paste it as a evidence 1. Okay, so let's continue. We set here. Place in the header of the festival your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned. So go to the Insert tab, go to the header, choose the 3 columns. They said right aligned, so it should be here. Here I have to delete this one, no need for them. So here I have to set my name, center number, candidate number, and I think they want something for the footer. Okay, so it is in the right aligned. Place in the footer automated page numbers. So I will go to the footer here, the same one to the left side. So no need for this, no need for this. Here we have to set what? The page number. So current position, you can select any style. I will select this style, and that's it. We finished from the header and footer. Make sure that all alignment matches the page margins, no other text or place holders are included in the header or footer. Everything is fine. And the header and footers are displayed on all the pages. You can see the header and the footer on all the pages. So it's fine. Let's go to the style. Step number 3, create and store the following styles. So I have to create a CF title style. Okay, so here you have to be careful now where to create the style. It's up to the position of the cursor. So if you have if you set the mouse cursor here, the style will be applied here, over here. If you set if your mouse cursor here, so the style, after you create the style will be applied over the same paragraph. For me, I prefer to set the mouse here at the end of the document, so the style that I'm going to create, it will not affect any parts. Or you can read what is the style that they want. They want this style for the title. So you can directly set the mouse over the title here and start to create the style. It's up to you. So in the proper position or at the end of the document. Because again, if you set the mouse here and start to create the style, after you finish creating the style will be applied over this particular paragraph. So how to create a new style? Go to the Home tab. From the Styles group, click Create a new style from here. Give a style name. Paste it here. Make sure that the style based on nothing, either normal or no styles. So don't leave it as based on other styles. Here you have two options. You can set either normal or no styles. Okay. They asked me the style name to be CF title. The font style serif. So here I will choose Times New Roman. The font size 32. It is bold, italic, center aligned, and they asked me the line spacing to be single. From where you can get the line spacing, it is from the paragraph. Line spacing is single, space before 0, space after 9 point. Okay, then okay. So they asked me to take screenshot for this style. I will take screenshot here. Okay, paste it here. Before click OK, then paste it here. Okay, and you can see here that the style that we created is applied over the title, and that's what we want. Go to the step number 4. Already we applied the CF title over the title. Change the page layout so that the subheading, the trails till the equipment is safe. So from here, trails till the equipment is safe till here. Tamam. So we will go to the layout, then to the columns, more columns. Make sure that you have 2 columns as they asked, 2 columns, and the space between the columns 1.5 centimeters. Make sure that the unit is centimeter. Okay, if it is not centimeters, you can change it from File tab, go to the options, then Advanced, go to the display part, and make sure it is centimeter. Then we finish here, import the image and place it in the paragraph beginning all trace. So here we have to set the image, go to the insert tab, picture, go to the working area, our source files, our image. Okay, they ask it like to flick the image so that the bike points to the left, because now the bike points to the right. We need like to adjust it to point to the right. How to do that? Select the image, go to the reflect, flip horizontally. Now the bike points to the left. Format the image so it resized to the width 4 centimeters. So right click over the image, go to the size, make sure that the width is 4 centimeters, and aspect ratio by default is maintained, so I'm not going to change anything. Okay, now they want the text, the image to be aligned to the left columns and top, so left and top. So the best option for here, you have to change the wrap text to be square. So the best option here, square. It will make the text wrap around the image. And to make sure that the image is exactly where they ask it, like top and light, you can move the image till to see the horizontal and vertical guidelines, these green lines. So here I adjusted the image to be to the left side and to the top of the paragraph. Okay, and the text wraps around the image, so it is perfect. Now go to the bullet. The bullet start from the bike till yoga. So this is our bullet list. Apply bullet list. Make sure that the bullets are indented 1.5. So you can adjust the indentation from the paragraph group. Make the indentation before 1.5 centimeters, and they ask it line spacing. Let me close this one. Sorry, I have to close this one before. So okay, fine. The list is single line spacing, no space before or after, no space before or after here, no space before, no space after. Okay, then okay. So you can see here, no space before, no space after, and the indentation is 1.5. Here there is 6 point space after the last item. So select the last item, go to the paragraph, make sure that there is 6 point after it, 6 point space after it, and that's it. Now go to the table. Here is the table. They asked me to delete, locate the table in the document, delete the entire, let me delete this one. Okay, now locate the table, delete the entire columns and contents with the heading lunch. So here is the columns, right click and then delete columns. We delete it. Apply format the left columns of the table so that it looks like the left columns of this table. Can you see here that here only I have one cell? So to make here like one cell, you need like to merge all of these cells. How to adjust that? You can notice that once you click over the table, 2 tabs will appear, design and layout. And you know, like to adjust everything related to the table, you can use these 2 tabs. Okay, so from the layout, you can select merge cells. Now, I want to change the direction for the text. So you can go to here, text direction, and just change till to get the same direction. Now, you can see it is in the center aligned vertically and center aligned horizontally. And from the design tab, I can change the background color to be black. Okay, we adjusted the first columns. Now apply CF table to the columns 2, 3, 4. This is the column 2, 3, 4. Then to the home tab, go to the CF table. All the text of each row display on one line. طيب, how to adjust like the text to be on one line? You can see here distance. This cell displayed on two lines, not one line. So for me, it's the best option to adjust that. Click over the handle of the table and then right click, go to the auto fit and make sure to select auto fit to window. Okay, so now like the table like adjusted properly. Okay, and just one line, the text of each row display on one line. Okay, 1 point black internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. So how to adjust the border to be to display the borders and to adjust the width of the borders? It is from the there are many options to get the borders. For me, I will use the borders. Go to the borders and shadings, then make sure they want the internal and external, so all the borders, and the width of this border 1 point, and that's it. There is 6 point space after the table. 6 point after the table means here I will adjust the space before this line means after the table. So go to the paragraph before it makes 6 point space. Okay, so I added. They want this text starring you in the table. Locate the text starring you in the table and format it to be superscript, means in the upper side of 150. So simply from the home tab, you can go to the superscript here. Okay, and that's it. A spell check. So just have a look and make sure that everything is fine. No spelling mistakes. Here you can ignore this one. Okay, and no orphan, no widow. Everything is adjusted properly. The header, the footer, the table, everything is fine. So if you are happy with that, you can simply save your file. And we finish from the Word document. We can go now. You need only to print the document. Okay, everything is fine. So thank you for listening. Next video will be the database, inshallah.